Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Hawaiian rolls is probably one of the most versatile and beloved baked goods out there, offering a delightful balance of sweetness and softness that makes them perfect for a wide array of culinary creations, from classic sliders and sandwiches to decadent French toast, and even as a simple, satisfying snack on their own, truly embodying a comforting and delicious experience for any occasion. Number 5. Women's Floral Print Puff Sleeve Kimono Cardigan. Embrace a relaxed and stylish look with this beautiful kimono cardigan. Its flowing design makes it perfect for any casual occasion. Featuring a vibrant floral print, this piece adds a touch of bohemian charm to your wardrobe. It's a versatile addition that complements many outfits. The delicate puff sleeves offer a touch of feminine flair without compromising on comfort. Enjoy a breezy and comfortable fit all day long. This loose-fitting cover-up is ideal for layering over your favorite tops or swimwear. It provides just the right amount of coverage with a stylish drape. Perfect for everyday wear, this blouse top combines casual comfort with chic design. Elevate your everyday style effortlessly. Add this must-have kimono cardigan to your collection for an instant style upgrade. It's the perfect blend of fashion and ease. What we like? This item offers a beautiful floral print with trendy puff sleeves. Its loose fit ensures comfort and a relaxed vibe. If you're looking for a stylish yet comfortable addition to your wardrobe that can be worn casually or dressed up, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a bohemian or relaxed aesthetic. What people say. This is a beautiful lightweight cover-up that can be used for many different things. The fabric is very light and comfortable. It can fit over just about any body type. So sheer and lots of pretty colors. Easy to rinse and hang to dry. Easy to wear over shirts, tanks, tees. They cover your backside. Very pretty with vivid colors. Nice material. Washes up nicely. Great for spring and summer. Number 4. IMPRESA Musubi Maker Kit. Discover the joy of crafting authentic Hawaiian musubi with this easy-to-use kit. It includes 2 makers, perfect for creating fresh sushi rolls and onigiri with ease. Elevate your kitchen experience by using this versatile mold. It provides endless opportunities to explore Japanese cuisine at home, creating onigiri, kimbap, and sekare. Constructed with a non-stick surface, it ensures effortless rice shaping and release. Its user-friendly design simplifies the process, allowing for quick and delicious results. Crafted from robust materials, it's designed for repeated use while maintaining quality. Its durability ensures it becomes a reliable kitchen staple for your culinary adventures. Maintaining its pristine condition is simple. Hand wash with warm soapy water and towel dry. The straightforward care instructions ensure long-lasting performance and reliable use. What we like? This kit provides a non-stick musubi maker for easy rice shaping. It's also versatile for other rice dishes like onigiri. If you love Hawaiian musubi or want to explore making sushi and other rice-based snacks at home with minimal fuss, this tool is ideal. It's perfect for beginners and those who want quick, consistent results. What people say. The rolls are soft and fluffy, perfect for sandwiches. They have a slightly sweet taste that complements savory fillings. The size is just right for individual servings. Number 3. King's Hawaiian Original Sweet Rolls. Experience the irresistible sweetness that makes every meal a celebration. These rolls are perfect for any occasion, bringing a touch of paradise to your table. Enjoy the uniquely soft and fluffy texture that melts in your mouth. Their signature sweetness is a delightful treat for the whole family. Elevate your sandwiches, accompany your dinners, or create delicious sliders. These versatile rolls are the ideal complement to all your favorite dishes. From our family to yours, we've been baking happiness for generations. Enjoy the authentic taste of Hawaii with every bite. Get more of what you love with this convenient pack of 3. Plenty to share, or to keep all to yourself. What we like? Experience the classic, original sweet taste and incredibly soft texture. This pack offers a convenient way to enjoy them. If you're looking for the quintessential sweet roll for sandwiches, sliders, or just as a delicious side, this is your go-to. It's perfect for family meals, parties, or any time you crave a touch of sweetness. What people say. The rolls are soft and fluffy, perfect for sandwiches or as a side dish. They have a slightly sweet taste that complements many meals. Each roll is individually wrapped, which keeps them fresh and convenient for on-the-go snacks. Number 2. King's Hawaiian Twin Pack Original Sweet Rolls. Introducing the King's Hawaiian Twin Pack, your go-to for delicious sweet rolls. Enjoy the classic taste you love, now in a convenient twin pack. These are the original sweet rolls, baked to perfection. Their soft texture and signature sweetness make them a family favorite. With a generous 32 ounces in each pack, you'll have plenty to share. They're perfect for any meal or occasion. Each pack contains 32 delightful rolls, ensuring there's enough for everyone. They are ideal for sandwiches, sliders, or enjoying on their own. Experience the incredibly soft and sweet taste that King's Hawaiian is known for. These rolls are wonderfully versatile, complementing any dish. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, these rolls are a perfect addition. They bring a touch of sweetness and joy to every gathering. What we like? Enjoy a generous quantity of these famously sweet and soft rolls. This twin pack ensures you have plenty for any occasion. If you need a larger supply for events, gatherings, or simply want to stock up on a family favorite, this option is excellent. It's ideal for those who know they'll go through them quickly and want great value. What people say. The rolls are soft and fluffy, perfect for sandwiches or just eating plain. They have a slightly sweet taste that kids love. Great for dinner rolls, they hold up well to butter and jam. Number 1. King's Hawaiian Sweet Dinner Rolls. Introducing King's Hawaiian Sweet Dinner Rolls, a delightful addition to any meal. These rolls are known for their unique sweetness and soft texture. Whether it's a family dinner or a special gathering, these rolls are sure to impress. Their versatility makes them a go-to choice for any occasion. Enjoy the incredibly soft and fluffy texture that melts in your mouth. Each bite is a testament to their quality and delicious taste. Bring a taste of aloha to your table with these irresistible sweet rolls. They offer a unique flavor profile that is both comforting and satisfying. This case contains 240 rolls, ensuring you have plenty for your needs. They are conveniently packaged for easy storage and serving. Make the sweet choice for your next meal. These rolls are a simple yet elegant way to elevate your dining experience. What we like? These are perfectly sized dinner rolls with that signature sweetness. This option comes in a large case for maximum convenience. If you are catering an event, running a restaurant, or need a substantial amount of sweet rolls for a large group, this bulk case is the most practical choice. It ensures you're always prepared for high demand. What people say. The rolls are soft and fluffy, perfect for sandwiches or as a side. They have a slightly sweet taste that kids love. Each roll is individually wrapped, making them convenient for on-the-go snacks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.